Welcome to the Ignis Sport channel. Today we're covering just a simple job, and that is greasing of the gear linkages. So this is already semi-stripped down. Clean off the old grease and muck with a cloth, possibly brake cleaner if it needs it. Here's the bell crank assembly, the two nylon bushes inside and the square nylon piece which slides within the quadrant. So use whatever grease is to hand here. Use plenty of it. These bushes are available to be replaced from Suzuki for £9 a pair. So I'm just testing the mechanism here. You can see some play. These pivots on the end of the cable also have some grease. This is part of the service procedure. It's never been done in the car's lifetime. So do the bolt up, put the cap back on. Here's a close-up of the assembly. Put a bit of grease on the bonnet catch while you're here. So if this mechanism completely binds up, your gear cables will kink and break. So let us know in the comments below if you did this and it improved your gear shift. It should do. Much more content coming up soon, including clutch cable, possibly clutch. So not overthinking this job, but grease these 4 points.